Hi, welcome aboard the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This boat is a really great design by Sea Ray. Starting off, you have the 250 Mercury Verado. Enough power to get this baby up on plane very quickly. Some great speeds. A lot of cockpit seating in here. Enough for probably at least 8 people. And when your kids or you are jumping off the back and enjoying the swim platform, you can easily move this forward and lock it in here, and it opens up the back deck area. I love what Sea Ray did here. Moving forward, again, a lot of open space here. Table can store easily down below. You have 2 forward seats, cockpit, port side helm seat, SIMRAD controls, a couple rocker switches for your lights, bilge pumps and horn, fusion stereo, and of course your throttles for your 250 Mercury Verado. Little cuddy cabin here, enough to get out of the environmentals, wind, rain, and that forward seat does flip up where you can use your toilet. And last but not least, the bow area. A lot of great seating up here, enough for 4 or 5 people. You do have a cooler forward, battery switch. Not battery switches. Your plug-in charger for your phones, and of course your windlass for your anchor up forward. If you need more information on the 250, please feel free to give me a call, 401-244-5253. And this is MarineMax, Rhode Island. Thank you.